One fine for your backed routine to stop muscle loss. Muscle loss might not be something you think about every day, but trust me, it's something worth addressing. And sooner rather than later. Whether you're someone looking to stay fit as you age, or you're just beginning to think about your long-term health, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into a simple, science-backed routine that can help stop muscle loss and actually reverse it in some cases. It's straightforward, beginner-friendly, and best of all, it's proven to work. Let's get started. Muscle loss, or muscle atrophy, is the process where your muscles shrink and weaken. It's a natural part of aging, but is made worse by inactivity, poor diet, or health conditions. As early as your 30s, your body starts to lose muscle mass gradually, by about 3 to 5% every decade. This might not seem significant at first, but as you age, the effects build up and can lead to serious declines in strength, mobility, and overall health. Why worry about muscle loss now? The answer lies in prevention. Muscle mass isn't just about looking fit. It's crucial for maintaining strong bones, balancing blood sugar, improving metabolism, and reducing injury risks. Without it, even daily activities like climbing stairs or standing for long periods can become challenging as time passes. Now, here's the good news. Science shows that by introducing intentional exercises into your routine, you can not only stop muscle loss, but even rebuild what you've lost. And it doesn't take hours at the gym or expensive equipment, just consistency and a plan. Before we dive into the routine itself, let's quickly talk about why maintaining muscle is key to living your healthiest life. For starters, muscles play a central role in keeping you mobile and independent. They provide the strength you need for everything, from getting out of bed to enjoying an active lifestyle well into your golden years. Beyond mobility, healthy muscles support a faster metabolism. Lean muscle tissue burns more calories than fat, even while you're resting. This means building and maintaining muscle can help manage your weight more efficiently. On top of that, strong muscles also reduce your risk of chronic illnesses like osteoporosis, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. So how do you achieve all this without overwhelming your busy schedule? The answer lies in a science-backed approach to muscle building that's both effective and time-efficient. The routine we're exploring today focuses on resistance-based exercises. These types of exercises challenge your muscles to work against external forces, which promotes growth and prevents loss. Research consistently highlights the importance of resistance training in preserving lean muscle, especially as you age. What makes resistance work so well? It creates small, controlled tears in your muscle fibers. When your body repairs these fibers, the muscles grow stronger and more resistant to further loss. Over time, you can rebuild and maintain muscle mass without needing to dedicate hours each day. This routine is designed to be adaptable, meaning whether you're completely new to strength training or an experienced fitness enthusiast, it's something you can get into. Start every session with a warm-up to get your blood flowing, loosen up your joints, and prepare your muscles for work. You can try light cardio like brisk walking, jumping jacks, or arm circles. The goal here is to increase your heart rate gradually while reducing your chances of injury. Body weight exercises. Begin with body weight movements like squats, push-ups, and lunges. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and improve overall strength. Start with 2-3 sets of 10-12 reps, adjusting the intensity as needed. If you're a beginner, modify push-ups by starting on your knees or doing wall push-ups instead. Resistance training. Incorporate resistance bands or light weights into your routine. Dumbbell exercises such as bicep curls, shoulder presses, and deadlifts are excellent for targeting specific muscle groups. Resistance bands are great alternatives if weights aren't accessible. You can easily use them for rows and seated presses. Aim for 3 sets of 8, 10 reps per exercise. Functional movements. Add functional exercises like step-ups or farmer's walks, which mimic real-life movements. These not only build strength, but also improve balance and coordination, reducing your risk of falls as you age. Use household objects if you don't have weights. Water bottles and bags of rice work perfectly. Strengthening. Don't forget your core. Strengthening your abdominal muscles supports your posture and stabilizes your movements. Planks, bicycle crunches, and bird dog exercises are all great options. Start with 30-second holds for planks and 10 reps per side for other movements, increasing over time. Finish off with some gentle stretching to elongate your worked muscles and improve flexibility. Classic stretches like hamstring stretches, child's pose, or a seated forward fold can help minimize soreness and enhance recovery. So, what's the science that makes this routine effective? It all comes down to progressive overload. This is the principle of gradually increasing the resistance or intensity of your workouts as your body adapts. Resistance-based movements promote the regeneration of muscle fibers, while functional and body weight exercises improve endurance and coordination. Research studies further support its effectiveness. For example, a study published in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who engaged in resistance training twice a week significantly increased their muscle strength and size over just 10 weeks. Similar findings have been replicated across various age groups, proving that it's never too late to start. With consistent practice, this method also promotes metabolic health by optimizing glucose usage, making it especially beneficial for those at risk of diabetes. Now let's address a common concern: time. We get it. Life is busy. But here's the beauty of this routine. You can do it in as little as 20 minutes a day, 3-4 times a week. If you're new to exercise or feel pressed for time, start small. Do bodyweight exercises at home, utilizing 10-15 minutes of your morning or evening. As you begin to feel more confident, you can increase the intensity, add resistance tools, or even try doing the routine while watching your favorite show. Fitness isn't one size fits all, and this plan is flexible to accommodate your schedule and fitness level. The goal is progress, not perfection. Exercise is crucial, but your routine will be even more effective if you pair it with other healthy habits. Focus on nutrition. Protein is your muscle's best friend. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, tofu, or legumes in your meals to support muscle repair. Don't forget other essentials like vitamin D, found in foods like salmon or from sunlight exposure, which helps with bone and muscle health. Get enough sleep. Sleep is when your muscles repair and grow. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep every night for full recovery. Stay hydrated. Water is a key player in muscle function and energy, so drink plenty before and after your workout. Building and maintaining muscle requires dedication, but staying motivated can make the process enjoyable. Here's how. Track your progress. Whether it's lifting heavier weights or feeling more energy day to day, write down your achievements so you can see how far you've come. Make workouts fun. Play your favorite music, try group classes, or invite a friend to join you. Reward yourself. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small. Whether it's completing a new exercise or sticking to the routine for a month, give yourself credit for every step forward. Muscle loss doesn't have to be inevitable. With the right tools and mindset, you can take charge of your health and strength at any stage of life. This simple, science-based routine is your starting point. Give it a try, adapt it to your lifestyle, and witness the difference it can make over time. Don't wait until tomorrow. Start today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment with your thoughts. What's one step you're taking to keep your muscles strong? We'd love to hear your stories. Stay strong, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.